Yo, what's up, guys? It's MB Survival here, and I'm back with you with another video to show you what's inside my EDC or everyday carry bag. First up, I have whoa. What the heck? Ooh, that scared the crap out of me. But anyways, yeah, first up I have my wallet. This is just a normal Beverly Hills Polo Club black wallet. Nothing, I don't really keep a lot of stuff in here. So yeah. Next up I have a pen and a Sharpie. Just a normal pen and Sharpie. Then I don't really carry that, but it was in my bag from earlier. So then I have this flashlight here. This is just a normal flashlight. I don't know how many lumens it has, but it's real bright. I like it. I have two pairs of earbuds, a green pair and a black and blue pair. I have a headlight that has 3 different colors. Normal, red, and purple, which is a LED light. It goes on your hat right here. Like this right here. Goes on there. Next up I have some electrical tape. Just normal electrical tape. I have a charging cube. Then onto this other pocket I have is my Mossy Oak knife. And this knife right here has interchangeable blades and stuff. It's kind of like a razor blade. Oh, that strap's in the way. It's kind of like a razor blade. You just press that button right there that's on the side. Press it down. And you can stick your blade in here. And it does not come out. I like this knife a lot. It's not good to it's not a very good pocket knife because this blade does sometimes come out. But it's really smooth and to flick and stuff. So yeah, I like it. That's the knife. I have these, this container. And in this container, well, I just dropped them. But in this container, to keep it waterproof, I keep 3 AAA batteries in there. Another thing I keep is, let's see here, is my inhaler, because I have bad allergies and you never know when I'll need my inhaler. So yeah. I have 3 plastic bags, no, two plastic, 1 gallon size bags folded up. I have some tissues, and I have folded up pieces of notebook paper because if I ever get lost or something like that, I could write it down, or just any notes or anything like that. What else? Anything in that pocket? No. In the other pocket, I keep this medical supplies with alcohol, prep pads, bandages, and stuff like that. I keep this emergency poncho. It's a reusable poncho. It is a 50 by 52 by 80, and it says it's hooded rain poncho, fabric. I don't know what that word is right there, but that 3rd or 4th word right there. I don't know what that word is. Polyethylene. I don't know. But lightweight, easy to carry, convenient, one size fits all, reusable, and I told you the measures already. So that's the poncho. This is kind of weird to keep in the bag, but you never know when you'll need it. So in this bag is a couple of rolls of toilet paper. Goodness gracious. There's a couple of rolls or things of toilet paper in here that are folded up in a plastic bag. Then I keep, what is this right here? Some gloves in here. Just a little bit of gloves. Some plastic gloves, like if I need to wrap something up or clean something or something like that. And I keep some Benadryl just in case like I get like itchy or I eat something I'm accidentally allergic to or something like that. So I keep Benadryl. It has 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, I think this is a, hold on. Yeah, this is a 12 pack. I had to count that, sorry. And then I keep my keys with a Swiss Tech multi-tool. It has a Phillips head, another Phillips head, a small flathead, and a bigger flathead with 2 files on each side. So I use that. And then the last thing in this pocket is this multi-tool with pliers and stuff on it. Come on, car, I'm making a video. Then the train goes off. Okay, so then this multi-tool, it's just a small multi-tool. It has wire cutters, it has a plier grip right there, that little hole, and then it has all kinds of like edges and stuff on it. With a Phillips head, flathead, grinder thing, whatever file. So yeah. And then into this pocket, I keep body lotion, Carmex, conditioner, and some gauze. 2 things of gauze. And that's really it for my bag. I mean, this is just a small little Jeep bag that's real dirty. I don't know why. Probably because it's been on the ground. And so yeah, I mean, I just keep it on my back. It's real small, but it doesn't it fits comfortable. It doesn't like take up any arm room or anything like that. So if you want to get any of this stuff, you can get it at your local Walmart or Dollar General and stuff. This stuff right here, I don't know where I really get it. My mom gets it. I'm gonna take that off and wrap it around like this. So yeah, I don't know where my mom gets it, but this stuff you can get at like a Walmart. This is just cheap stuff you can get at Walmart and stuff that I use, that I take with me every day just in case, because you never know. You could be stranded in the car and you don't have nothing, you can't see nothing, or you need batteries for something, or you need to write something down, or you're kidnapped or something. So I always keep stuff like this with me. And the 2 least useful things in here are probably my headphones, which I always keep headphones with me. And so yeah. But I mean, but it's a nice bag, and so yeah. That's the end of the video for today. I will see y'all again soon, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.